Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems on calendar. Let us check the concepts and formula. The first one is ordinary year. An ordinary year has got 365 days, out of which there are 52 weeks and 1 day. That is 52 into 7 is equal to 364 days plus 1 is equal to 365. That is an ordinary year. Next is leap year. A leap year has got 366 days, that is 52 weeks plus 2 days extra. Let us check the conditions for leap year. Every year divisible by 4 is a leap year if it is not a century, that is 100 is not a leap year. Similarly 200 or 300 is not a leap year, but 400 is leap year, that is every 4th century is a leap year and no other century is a leap year, that is 400, 800, 1600, 2000. These are all leap years, but not a century. Okay. Some examples of leap year. Each of the years 4, 8, 720, 1676, 1948, 2024, etc. is a leap year because these are all divisible by 4. Next, each of the years 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, etc. is a leap year. Next, none of the years 100, 200 or 1000, 1800 or 2001, 2002, 2003 is a leap year. Okay. So the conditions for leap year are it should be divisible by 4 and it should not be a century and every 4th century is also a leap year. These are the conditions for leap year. Next, let us check the concept of hot days. We are supposed to find the day of the week on a given date. So for this, we shall use the concept of hot days. Let us see what is hot days. In a given period, the number of days more than complete weeks are called odd days. That is, in an ordinary year, there are 365 days. That is 52 weeks plus 1 day. Therefore, one ordinary year has got one odd day. Next, in a leap year, there are 366 days, which is equal to 52 weeks plus 2 days. Therefore, one leap year has got 2 odd days. Similarly, in 100 years, there are 76 ordinary years and 24 leap years. That is, 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Therefore, it should be 25 leap years plus 75 non-leap years. But the 100th year is a non-leap year. Therefore, there are 24 leap years and 76 non-leap years. Therefore, if you see, out of 100 years, 76 ordinary years has got 1 odd day and 24 leap years has got 2 odd days. Therefore, multiplying this, we will get 124 odd days. So 124 can be written as 119 plus 5. This 119 is nothing but 17 weeks, that is 17 into 7 plus 5. 17 into 7 is equal to 119. Therefore, these are all complete whole weeks and there are 5 days extra. So 100 years has got 5 odd days. We have to remember this. Okay. Next, we shall see the number of odd years in different centuries. So we saw earlier that the number of odd days in 100 years is equal to 5 odd days. Next, the number of odd days in 200 years is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10 minus multiple of 7. Here it is only 1 times, so it is 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So there are 3 odd days in 200 years. Next, in 300 years there are 5 into 3, 15 minus multiple of 7, that is 14, which is equal to 1. Therefore, there are 1 odd days in 300 years. Next, the number of odd days in 400 years is equal to 5 into 4 plus 1. This plus 1 is because the 400th year is a leap year. Therefore, it is plus 1. So, in total it is 21 and which is a multiple of 7. Therefore, 21 minus 21 is equal to 0. There are no odd years in 400 years. Similarly, each one of 800, 1200, 1600, 2000 years, etc. has 0 odd days. And this table is important. The day of the week related to odd days. So, if the number of days is 0 or the number of odd days is 0, then the day is Sunday. If the odd day is 1, it is Monday and it keeps going till Saturday. So, it starts from 0 and ends at 6. So, if it is 0, then it refers to Sunday. So, we can remember this and we can calculate the day based on the given date. Okay. Okay. We shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.